3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To buy USDT on Binance using PayPal, follow these straightforward steps. Start by opening Google and searching for Binance. Then click on the official website, Binance.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account by clicking on the login button and entering your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate the deposit option on the dashboard and click on it to begin the process. From there, navigate to the Buy Crypto section, where you can initiate your USDT purchase. You'll be prompted to complete 3 verification steps to ensure your account security and compliance. After the verification process, input the amount of USDT you want to buy and proceed by clicking on the Verify and Buy button. Once verified, you'll be taken to the checkout page, where you can choose PayPal as your preferred payment method. Complete the transaction, and your purchase will be finalized, allowing you to use your newly acquired USDT for various crypto transactions.